Electrical metallic tubing, or EMT, fittings that are listed for rain-tight or wet locations rely on different methods by each manufacturer to achieve their rain tightness. It is important to follow the assembly or installation instructions located on the shipping container of the fitting. To verify and enforce torque requirements for Raintight EMT fittings, a crow's foot attachment can be used in conjunction with a torque wrench in the field. The crow's foot attachment is a socket-style wrench. It allows the torque wrench to be applied at an angle to the fitting. Here are steps for verifying and enforcing torque. Firstly, obtain the manufacturer's torque specifications. Check the shipping container of the fitting for the specified torque requirement. Secondly, acquire a crow's foot attachment and a torque wrench. Ensure that the crow's foot attachment fits the fitting and the torque wrench has the appropriate capacity for the specified torque. Thirdly, position the crow's foot attachment. Attach the crow's foot attachment to the torque wrench and align it with the fitting. Fourthly, apply the torque. Gradually apply torque to the fitting using the torque wrench until the specified torque is reached. Fifthly, verify the torque. Check the torque wrench to ensure that the correct torque has been applied. Sixthly, enforce compliance. If the torque requirement is not met, the installation should be adjusted or corrected to meet the specification. Following these steps will help ensure proper installation and maintain rain tightness.